Once upon a time, in a colorful world filled with plants, trees, and animals, everyone depended on the magic of farming. Farming gave them delicious fruits, crunchy vegetables, and grainy bread. But as time went on, people realized that the way they were growing food was hurting the land and the animals they loved. For many years, farmers used a take and take method. They would take as much as they could from the soil, but never really give back. This made the land tired, just like when you play all day without resting. The tired land couldn't grow healthy plants anymore, and the poor animals had nowhere to live. That's when some clever people came up with sustainable agricultural practices. Imagine them like superheroes for the earth, using their special powers to keep both the land and the animals happy. One of these special practices is called crop rotation. It's like a game of musical chairs for plants. Every season, the farmer changes the type of crop grown on a piece of land. One year, it might be corn's turn to grow. The next year, it might be beans, and then wheat. This helps the soil stay full of nutrients. It's like keeping your favorite sandwiches exciting by changing the fillings. Then there's composting, where farmers recycle nature's trash. Imagine turning leaves, food scraps, and old plants into a delicious soil smoothie. It's packed with a blend of super nutrients that plants love. Adding this to the earth makes it strong and healthy. Another heroic practice is the clever use of water, a precious gift that every plant needs to thrive. Farmers today use smart systems like drip irrigation, which delivers water directly to a plant's roots. This is like giving plants a sippy cup instead of a bucket to drink from. It helps save water and ensures each plant gets exactly what it needs. Some farmers also protect their land by creating spaces for birds and bees. These tiny friends help plants by spreading pollen and controlling pesky insects. It's a win-win, like having a best friend to help with chores. The best part? Each of these practices works together, creating a magical circle of life. Farmers grow food without wasting resources. Animals have homes, and the earth remains lush and thriving. Everyone, from the smallest ladybug to the tallest tree, smiles and flourishes. With sustainable agriculture, we plant the seeds of a brighter, greener future. Kids just like you can play a role by visiting farms, planting gardens, and learning how to care for the earth. Together, we can keep our planet healthy and beautiful for generations to come. And as the sun sets over the fields, everything is peaceful, knowing that these wonderful practices will keep the world a lively land of color and life.